Hi, I'm John Laspina. I'm the Carnivore teacher, and if you change the way you eat, your body will change. If you change the way you eat, your mind will change. If you change the way you eat, your emotions will change. And all for the better, by the way, if you go keto, ketovore, or carnivore. We've all heard the phrase, you are what you eat. Think about it. Really think about that. If you are eating cereal and pizza and McWendy Kings, that's my funny, I got that from Dr. Berry, combining 3 fast food into a silly sounding name because fast food is so bad for you. It is loaded with seed oil. So many things are fried in rancid peanut oil. And there's a lot of added carbohydrates and sugars, and it's wrapped in, well, it's not wrapped in plastic or styrofoam anymore, but it's just bad food. If that is what you are eating, that is the substrate that is reproducing all of the skin cells. And when your liver and your heart and your lungs and your brain, when those cells get replaced, they're being replaced with that substrate. Is that what you want to be? You are what you eat is true. It very slowly happens to you. You become, your body literally becomes what you put in your body. That's what it makes, how it makes all of your cells. So if you're eating one ingredient, whole, real foods that come from God and nature, unadulterated by humans, I think that's what that means anyway. That was an oxymoron. You're eating beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs. You're cooking with dairy butter or ghee or beef lard, beef fat. You're having the egg yolks. You're having the fat that comes with that delicious salmon. That is so healthy for you. And now your skin cells and your liver cells and your heart cells and your brain cells and your lungs are all reproducing the cells with that substrate. And there you are what you eat. Now, I'm a carnivore. I eat animal products. I am an animal. If I eat plants, I am not a plant. I can extract some healthy things from that plant, but there are so many anti-nutrients locked up in the fibers of those plants that I'm not absorbing much. And I have to eat a lot of those plants to get the nutrition out of it. And then they come with a lot of anti-nutrients that mess me up, like oxalate, like lectins, like phytates. There's a whole list of them depending on the plant you're eating. So that's why I'm a carnivore, ladies and gentlemen. Every once in a while, maybe I'll have some garlic cut up into something that I didn't make, but it was there. I'm okay with it. Maybe a little bit of onion. I'm okay with it. Sometimes a little bit of white pepper because black pepper has too many oxalates. Maybe. I don't put it on my steak, but if somebody puts it on the steak and I ask, I'm not going to die over it. But if I make it, it's all carnivore because my body runs better that way. I feel better that way. I am what I eat. I pass this simple nugget that your mother taught you. You are what you eat on to you again. I want you to rethink about that phrase because it's true. Eat well so that you can look and feel well. And when you do that, you become the optimized version of yourself, not a lower version of yourself like when you ate cereal and pizza and macaroni and cheese. You're becoming the optimized version of yourself because you're eating healthy animal products. Have a wonderful day.